Guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transfer CapCut projects from PC to phone or mobile. So in here, what you need to do first is make sure that you log into the same account on CapCut on your PC and also on your mobile. And after that here, you can just edit your projects in CapCut PC, and when you are done you can go to the CapCut homepage like this, and then on the projects that you want to transfer, for example this one, you can click on this three dots icon and choose upload. Here upload by uploading mean that you upload the projects into your space, so just choose the space that you want. For example this one, you can tap on upload. Sorry, let's try again. Tap on upload and you'll see the sign. That means that the CapCut project is being transferred or uploading into the space. So what you need to do on mobile is just open your CapCut and go to your space, and you'll find the project, the same projects that you are uploading to the space. So that's how you can easily transfer CapCut projects from PC to mobile. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.